speaker, I invite Dr. S. Samim, Deputy Director, SCRT, Tamil Nadu. We have heard earlier, Dr. Samim, are you there? Dr. Samim? Dr. Samim, please go ahead. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Namaste. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. Namaste, all of you. Virendra Rawat, sir.
Thank you.
Namaste. Tiwari ma'am, all of you, namaste. Really great initiative taken by you. Very happy to meet you again.
Thank you.
In this webinar. Today, we are going to speak about strategies for education for all, sir.
Right.
In these strategies, I like to mention 5 strategies. That is first one about 360-degree progress report.
Okay.
Then second thing about the Shala Siddhi and school adoption program and open bull exam. And the 5th one is the mobilizing resources. Then first one about that first one about the sir, is it reflecting there or what? Sir, audible है क्या? Clear है? Is it clear, sir? Hello, audible है क्या? अच्छा ठीक है. 360-degree progress report.
In fact, we see that is the composite progress report. It is for the identification of all learners. Identification of all learners.
That is, every
individual is unique and he has been blessed with that potential. So the education system should not be
more emphasis.
Samim ji, there is issue in audio. Audio is repeating. Audio is not clear, Samim. So can you use earphone, Dr. Samim?
Answer.
Your audio is disturbing. Audio is not clear. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Good, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
Yes, first time.
Yes, sir. First time. Strategies for education for all. Strategies of education for all. That is, first one I like to say about the composite progressive report. That is the one now it has been emphasized by our Honorable Prime Minister also. That is that 360-degree composite progressive report. In that we say every child is bestowed with innate quality. So हर तरह के बच्चे का उसका अपना सा identification of his talent. That's the first step. So whatever be the talent, now the education system is giving more importance to that linguistic and music, that other intelligence, and we need to focus more on that logical intelligence. As you see the green mentas, we have to give more importance that naturalistic intelligence also. There are 8 types of intelligences, that is multiple intelligence. I have done my research, PhD research in this. So multiple intelligence has to be encouraged, identified, catch them. A child has, sir, when a child has more interest in the conservation of nature and he is growing with nature and he's conserving that also we need to mention. That's the one thing, that is 360-degree progress report. And there should be mention about the children's values and attitudes. सब किसी को कोई मदद करता है वही भी तो उसमें मेंशन करना चाहिए और उसको शाबाशी देना चाहिए हर वक्त. Like that we need to mention about the identify the talent hidden within them, and we need to encourage, give opportunities to encourage all such things periodically. This will bring all into education stream. This is a great strategy to bring education for all. Next one is the school adoption program, sir. ये school adoption program जो है, it is a program I have seen, witnessed in University of Minnesota. When the government has sent us on deputation to US and UK in 2011, you have seen that school adoption program, even universities are attached, adopting one particular school. So the children of particular school, they are having a great experience, direct experience in visiting the universities. Then they have a broad outline ambition to know that research, what type of research is carrying on, and it is bridging the gap between the higher education, higher institutions, and to that growing individuals. So this the school adoption program will be the second strategy I like to mention upon that education for all. First strategy is the 360 progressive report, and second is that school adoption program. And third is that implementation of Shala Siddhi. Shala Siddhi the program hai, NIPA ka, National Institute of Education and Planning, has produced a good framework. I have been involved in the framework in a series of workshops. It took for 2 years to complete the framework. So that can be relooked under the light of the new education policy, and it can be adopted, implemented across. So it will have all its components. So even the children which are having that particular type of intelligence, particular type of learning styles and learning scape, even the children-led bloomers, they can also be what techniques can be used, all that. So each and every school can fix them to one level, and they can have their own specific plans to progress into next level. That third one is that implementation of Shala Siddhi program. And fourth one, I like to say about open book exam. That is, open book exam is nothing but it is also recommended in the new education policy, as well as it is adapted in UK and everything. So when a child is having that extraordinary intelligence and tapping the scientist and that social activist when in the young age, that is that gifted children also will be given a chance to interpret and given their own ideas. Then that open book exam is actually doing away from memory. So there will be the interpretation and the comprehension skills can be enhanced. In that way, that open book exam will also be helpful. And the fifth strategy for making education for all will be that mobilizing of the resources. So Virendra Rao sir, today you have organized many the persons who have done extremely well in different spheres, and local artisans, whatever may be that skillful intelligence, and that retired professionals, teachers who like to contribute for the welfare of our nation, for the welfare of our motherland, to make our motherland more successful, more supremo in every power, number one in the world. So we need to bring everyone to rope into that. So this is the mobilizing of resources. Even that dedicated mother who like to share that storytelling session in a class can be invited. So their own life experiences can be shared in the among the youngsters. So like this, we need to implement all these 5 strategies. That is a 360-degree progressive report. That is a composite report card, progressive card. And the second one is that school adoption program. And third one is the Shala Siddhi school standards and evaluation framework that to be relooked and to be implemented and mentored in a very successful way, and the open book exam, and making the mobilizing all these resources. This will be useful in making that education for all. You should, there's marginalized people and that people from the disadvantaged group. There should be special sensitization to that. Recently, I had attended a program, participated in a program conducted by UNICEF. It was about ending child marriage and adolescent empowerment. In this, you see that adolescent stopping child marriage itself a big issue. So we need to devise all such things. So the sharing of experiences, sharing of the teachers need to be sensitized on performing as a parent, second parents in the school. And teachers are, of course, they are the first, they are the second parents, and the parents are the first teachers, we say. Actually, they need to be trained accordingly. That's why many initiatives are successfully we have rolled out, and we need to take this forward by that's what by stabilizing and identifying the talents. And there are children who are having that disabilities within, like learning, the children with learning disabilities, children with the special needs. They should not be what to say, discouraged, or they should not be left out. No child left behind, no adolescent left behind, no youth left behind. They should all be into the mainstream. So they are having that some special talent. They are specially abled. So some child who are having some genetic problem may have some skill, special skill in musical intelligence, that to be harnessed. They should be given scope for that. See, I had witnessed one felicitation program at University of Michigan. The school complexes program is also like to involve like that. Even a teacher who has identified a student who has done origami excellently, and he has actually diverted and given that reference of his center, which can harness that skill. So that child, after some years of practice, he could shine into that mathematic Olympiads at the global level. He has scored some 11th or 13th rank like that.
So Dr. Samin, please conclude. Hello.
Like potentials, we need to improve upon that. Like that it is. So we have. What happened, sir?
Dr.
Sir,
please conclude.
No, sir.
Yeah, please conclude.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I like to share all this. So it's very with these concepts, and we can make education for all very successful, very purposeful, and we are marching towards making our motherlands a holy land, a prosperous land, and a powerful land with all these values, attitudes, and parts, and the skills and talents, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for all the dignitaries. Namaste, all of you.
So thank you, Dr. Samin. You are doing great work in Tamil Nadu, especially no child left behind, no youth left behind.